Mac and cheese is the ultimate comfort food, so let's turn this classic into a low-carb, keto-friendly comfort meal that keeps all the flavour of the original.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So to start, into a non-stick pan over a medium to high heat, add in your bacon. Now you want the bacon to get crispy but not totally dry out. We still want some juiciness there. Keep mixing it around over that heat for several minutes or until the fat renders down and the bacon starts to foam a little. Now while the bacon is cooking, into a pot with boiling salted water, add in your cauliflower florets. Now I know cauliflower gets overused in these low carb recipes, but this is the best alternative to the pasta. Cook it until just tender, don't overcook it, otherwise it will become waterlogged, and you can also steam it instead. Remove the bacon from the pan and discard the grease, and then chop up your crispy bacon into pieces and leave aside. Now into a non-stick pan over a medium heat, add in your cream, and then place in your cream cheese. Next, add the grated cheddar cheese, and then I hit it with some chili flakes just to give it that extra kick. My nana would spice up her mac and cheese, so it's just something I do, but it's optional. I also add in some paprika as well for some smoky flavour. Mix everything together well, the cream cheese will melt into the sauce as will the cheddar cheese. Once the mix has melted down and thickened slightly, drain all the excess water off the cooked cauliflower and add it to the cheese sauce. Mix it together well and then add in the bacon pieces and again mix everything well for 1 to 2 minutes. To serve, pile it high into bowls, and as an optional extra, just because I like the colour, I'm sprinkling over some fresh parsley. And there you have it, a low carb keto version of mac and cheese that is just amazing. Thick and creamy and loaded with cheese, what more could you ask for? So get the recipe in the description, let me know what you think of this one, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with another yummy recipe.